Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Salesforce Connector for Opencart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now enter the domain of your Salesforce account. Now copy the redirect URI from here. Click User icon button present at top of the page to generate client ID and secret. It will open the Salesforce login page. Log in with your account. Now go to Setup, then App Manager. Click New Connected App. Enter connected app name. Enter contact email. Now enable OAuth settings in API section. Paste the redirect URI in callback URL. Select Full Access in Scopes and click Add. Now enable Client Credentials Flow. Click Save and Continue. Now click Manage in your app. Now copy consumer key, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy consumer secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now go to App Manager and click Manage in your app, then click Edit Policies. In Client Credentials Flow, click Search. Select the user from here. If you don't know the domain of your Salesforce account, then you may copy from here also. Now click Save. Now click Keys button in Module Setting to generate tokens. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that token is generated. Now, click Save and open the configuration page again. Now, select the Salesforce account for contact. Now, select the Salesforce price books for product price. Now, select the Salesforce contract for orders. Next field is Salesforce product ID for adjustment. This field will be used to sync the shipping and other charges to respected product. If you don't know the product ID, then leave it blank. Module will generate it once needed. Next field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Opencart orders that will be synced to Salesforce. Leave it you want to sync all orders. One last field is Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Opencart orders will sync to Salesforce. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the Salesforce menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Opencart to Salesforce. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Salesforce also. See customers are present in Salesforce. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Salesforce. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.